Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm excited to introduce you to our new family member. It is Mr. Bentley. You know, you can call him Bentley or Mr. Bentley, and he is a little Yorkie, and I got him for my birthday. You know, Mike and I had been thinking about getting a dog. We haven't had one in so many years, and we felt like at this point in our life we could give him all the attention he needed and really spend a lot of time with him. You know, with me working for myself, I'm able to bring him to work, and of course as a puppy he needs 24 hours 7 days a week of care, and so we've just really been enjoying him. And so I figured today I want to introduce you to him. He's a little camera shy. I am a little nappy here. He's a little sleepy. But I want to kind of show you the setup that I have for him currently, still in the process because I've only had him for a few days. And so I just want to show you kind of what I have for him, and also all of my dog lovers and dog owners out there, you know, any of your tips and advice for a new puppy, I definitely am all ears, so I would love to hear. So let me show you his little setup. Let's get started. So friends, Bentley was so excited to show you his new work area in my office, one being on the top of my desk. This is where he has been lounging all day long. He has stayed up all night, so he is quite tired. He's really tired. And so it's great because he can sit on top of my desk as I'm working. If I step away from my desk, I can easily lift him and take him with me because I don't leave him unattended at the desk. I don't leave Bentley anywhere unattended because we are in potty train mode. This is his second location here, and it's just a little doggy basket that I got from Tuesday morning, and it has like French dog writing on it, but I have his little toys there, and this is just kind of a second location for Bentley. He really loves on top of my desk, so that's where he's been tending to stay. But I have his little dog person pillow and the little elephant here that I got in the baby section at Tuesday morning, with some other little toys that I got a little bit everywhere. I got some at Tuesday morning, some at PetSmart, and so he's really been just enjoying that. Yesterday he went and got groomed, and while he was getting groomed, I had the opportunity to go walk around in there. Along with, from Tuesday morning, I found these cute little metal bowls for his water and for his food, along with the mat, and it was really just so cute, and I thought it was the perfect size for him to sit in my office as we're going through this training stage. And by the way, friends, I do want to say that all of my teammates, they are very dog loving people, so we are so excited to have him in here. I wouldn't bring him in if I felt like someone was uncomfortable with it, and so he gets a lot of love around here when he will stay awake. You know, he stays up all night, so of course he likes to sleep during the day. But I have these wipes here that I kind of use to wipe him down if he gets soiled or anything, and so have those tucked in there. And the purpose of this caddy is to keep those things like his brush and all of those things that need to take care of him, and so that if he goes to my mom's house, which she is waiting to get him over there, I can take just this caddy, and she has everything she needs. I got some shampoo and conditioner and detangler. I purchased this cheap brand, because I recognized it, but I am open to hear from you on suggestions on dog products and foods and all kinds of things, because I have never had a small dog as an adult, and so I'm very curious, so definitely leave me comments below. I love these little baggies when I'm walking him, and it has this little dispenser. So convenient and cute. I'm sure you've seen this before if you have a dog. And his leash, I found this one here in Tuesday morning. They had different styles, and they were like very fashionable, so I thought that was cute. And with him being a lighter dog, I can get away with something like that. And then I found a harness for him, because I'm not going to pull him from his neck. He's too small and fragile, and he's not going to grow much bigger than what he already is, and so he is going to have a harness on him when I walk him. And so I thought this one was cute. So I have not walked him yet. He goes to the vet tomorrow, and I have a ton of questions for my vet. When can I walk him? When can I take him outside to kind of use the restroom and things like that? So I'm going to find out all that information tomorrow. So I'm really excited about that appointment. I have different things like the leashes, and I found this cute bow tie one, and his name is Bentley, but we call him Mr. Bentley a lot. And so I thought, Mr. Bentley, you definitely need a bow tie. And so he can't fit it right now, of course, but hopefully one day he will fit into it. And so basically it just has all of those little tidbits. Again, I can take it on the go for work. If he goes to my mom's house, she has his shampoos and all those things he needs. And so it's just really a cute little caddy to take for Bentley. Now, of course, I had to have Bentley his own personal binder to keep up with his information, such as his immunization and his health records and all the little tidbits when you own a pet. So as you open the binder here, I have all of his basic information. I am going to have my pet printable collection on my website by the end of the week, so definitely if you're interested, check that out. And so I have a picture of Bentley here, but I am going to print out a real photograph and I'm going to stick it in the side of the binder right here because I want to have a place to pull one if I ever need it. And then I have all of his kind of personality information here, also his immunization record there. And again, these are just in the works, so I haven't filled out anything out yet or had his vet fill anything out. And I also have his most current immunization record, so we're going to get all that settled with the vet tomorrow. And then as we go on and he goes through life, I have a place to put all of his information. I am going to put kind of a checklist if my mom watches them or anything like that. And so it's going to be his little binder. And you know, Bentley, he is just such a joy, and we are just loving on this little puppy. And we're going through those stages of potty training, but we are determined, and he is really a smart dog. He's really a smart puppy, and he's doing really well, so he is really a blessing for us. I hope you all have enjoyed. Leave me all your comments below. Have a beautiful day, my friends, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.